The Leshan Giant Buddha is about 150 kilometers from Chengdu, and the drive takes around 2 hours. Upon arrival, your driver will take you to the tourist center, where you will purchase your entrance ticket and shuttle bus ticket. After that, your driver will accompany you to the shuttle boarding area. The tourist center is about 1.8 kilometers from the north gate, and the shuttle ride takes around 5 minutes. The shuttle boarding area is conveniently located near the ticket office. Once you arrive at the north gate, you will pass through the ticket check and begin your visit. The most common route is to enter from the north gate and exit from the east gate. After exiting, it's just a short 300-meter walk back to the north gate. From there, you can take the shuttle bus back to the tourist center where your driver will be waiting for you. This north gate to east gate route is the most popular option. Some visitors choose to exit from the south gate instead, but please note that this route involves steep steps and can be more physically demanding. If you choose a different walking route, simply send us your location or a photo and your driver will come to pick you up. If you have limited time, you can also consider taking a boat tour for a quick and convenient view of the Leshan Giant Buddha from the river. However, queues for the boat can sometimes be quite long. If you'd like a more relaxed and enjoyable visit, it's best to plan a full day for your trip to the Leshan Giant Buddha.